Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is gonna be how I take off my makeup every day. This isn't my permanent routine, just how I've been doing it lately. I'm gonna first go in with some makeup wipes. I really am trying to find a way to stop using the makeup wipes. They don't irritate my skin or anything. They're just really not great for my skin because of the alcohol. So I have been getting some suggestions on what I can use instead of the makeup wipes, but I use the makeup wipe to get off most of my makeup. I don't wear heavy makeup throughout the day, but I just prefer the makeup wipe to get most of it off. And then I take a cotton round and I go in with my Garnier micellar water that, as you can see, I got from Family Dollar. These cotton rounds have like ridges on them, so it may seem like I'm really pulling at my skin, but I'm not. The ridges just help to get all the mascara off and the eyeliner and the lash glue. It just helps get even like the foundation, concealers, everything off my eyes. And then here is the Radiance spin brush from, I believe you pronounce it Duvolle. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce it, but they did send me this spin brush. I actually really love it. I used to have one years ago from Vanity Planet, but this is the Radiance spin brush system. It comes with a body brush, a pumice stone brush, and two like cleansing brushes. I use the body brush for my face because that's my business. So here's a little pamphlet showing which each brush is for. I have in this pretty light blue color, and I'm gonna go in with my Clinique cleanser. There's about a pump and a half of that. So I'm gonna go on with this brush. I've been actually using it for well over a month now, and I really love it. Just so that I'm not using my hands or like a towel to clean my face. I've never used a towel to clean my face. I always use my hands in the shower, but this helps me not to do that, especially with the whole pandemic and the virus going around. The less my hands are in my face, the better. So this has really been getting me through and also helping clear up my skin because it's really been lifting the dirt up off my skin. And I've been able to really get in there and get all the makeup, the dirt, the grime, just the whole day off my face. So I've really been loving this spin brush. It will be linked down below in the description box along with the discount code you guys can use for some money off. So currently this is the state my skin is in. I have been stressing a lot these past couple of weeks about a few things, so it's starting to show in my face. So as you can see, I am suffering from a slight breakout. So my next cleanser is going to be my Urban Skin RX Cleansing Bar. This is the acne control one. Just to help out with my breakouts. This genuinely does clear up my skin when I use it. So I've been using this for a while. Some of you may know if you've been watching my channel. This I use. I am being a little bit rough with this because that sponge is super soft. And I just want to really make sure I go ahead and get in there. So yeah, I'm going ahead and getting in there with that. And once I rinse this off, that's pretty much it. So I did this before I got in the shower because I didn't want to get in the shower with makeup on, and I had to get this video done. So after this, I will go in with like a moisturizer. So my face isn't too dried up, but that's pretty much how I clean my makeup off my face every day. My face is I wish you guys could feel how soft my skin is. Even with the pimples. So that's pretty much it. This brush will be linked down below. So make sure you guys check it out. And I will see you on the next one. Love you guys.